Hi, so let me walk you through my Wisdom Wall activity. So this is how it's going to look. I also placed it on the Getting Started module. For the moment, I am planning on putting it after exam one for the first class that I use it. So once I open the assignment, this is what it looks on my end. And here I mentioned a little bit about the main idea of the wisdom wall, and I mentioned that it was to leave some advice for future classes, and then I also provided with the prompt. Um, Here's the rubric for the actual assignment. I left in here parts of the actual software, a little bit of information about how to use VoiceThread, and then also what I did on the previous assignment. I left them the picture of where to add their comments just in case they forgot about their first activity. And this is what it looks once we actually load it. And then I also added the prompt, and I left the first comment there explaining.
In this activity, we will be creating a wisdom wall. And a wisdom wall, it's basically a place where you may leave some advice for future classes. Now, let me walk you through the prompt. So at this point, our first exam has actually concluded. And this is a chance for you to tell us something that could help future students. So for example, please mention something that helped you study for the exam, or you could also mention something that did not help you study for the exam. And the main idea is that, well, you're leaving some advice for future classes.
And that's what my activity looks like.